Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Shibuya Soul. I'm back with another video of me actually going out and shooting. We had a snow day here in DC last week, and I thought what better opportunity to try out some new film. On this photo walk I used Kodak Portra 160 and Ilford HP5. All of the images were shot on my Rolleiflex, and I'll get into why that might have not been the best idea. But first, the photos. This is actually my first time using Portra 160 on medium format, and I gotta say, I did love the cool tones the film stock produced. It really gave a bit of atmosphere to the images, making it really feel like it was cold that day, which it was. As far as Ilford HP5, I actually love the way it turned out. I'm not too knowledgeable when it comes to black and white film stocks and the different differences that they have, but I developed it myself, scanned it myself, and I gotta say that to me, it looked great. Now on to using the Rolleiflex in the snow. The Rolleiflex is a TLR medium format camera, and it's all manual focus, which trying to manually focus with freezing hands is never a good situation to be in. Not to mention, because it was snowing, the snow was hitting the viewfinder, which caused it to fog up and, smear on the viewfinder. So between that and frozen hands, it was just difficult to capture the images that day. Next time I'll be using the Mamiya 645 AF or the Nikon F100 the next time I try to shoot film in the snow. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be having a lot more videos coming up shortly. I'm going on a trip. I'll keep you guys posted. And until next time, peace.